MCs speak of their DJs. Get themselves on wax, that's not how they play. The truth really is, they can't get with it. Rock Squad could pump it up, so let's kick it. Cidade! You see, I gain my recognition through my hip-hop skills. Energy to stash the mic and serve MCs at will. I'm strictly heaven sent, not overconfident. Though my rhymes are fly, they're not for sale, please rent. They're written mainly for me, so fighters, I say please. You can't begin to comprehend the lyrics of the sea. I know a slice up, success is what it's all about. You can't get over, you're a biter, so you don't have clout. So just face it, you had it, you're not even valid. You bought my lens again, I smash your grill with a mallet. Don't get me wrong, but what's mine is mine. How would you like it if someone went and fit your rhymes? Use competition as nutrition through my vigorous training. And when the smoke clears, easy seat will be remaining. That is me, the crown prince. I'm taking no shorts, but I have to start the show from the battles I fought. I'm kicking hard with the guard, and MCs we will bar. We got claim to fame, cause the name is Rock Squad. We'll take you out without a doubt, most easily. Us brothers, there's no other. We go kicking MCs.
DJ Renato Lopes.
Now back to me, original and genuine. I can shake a whole continent with one of my rhymes, but I use my own style. To write is too wild. That's why they consider me the best of all. ILC, you're just an amateur. I'm the proprietor of these here rhymes that are much superior. But anything you'll ever write, you must recreate. Check out my inside. Now acknowledge busy. He's the quickest cat you'll ever see. I slice, mix, and cut, scratching with the decency. And I'm strong as a bull. Get paid in full. I touch the fly, crystal gravitational pull. 5 rhymes a strip, not self-contained. They must be published in order to remain at the top of the charts. That's where I rap the best. All you do is fix a show and prove finesse.
Incredible cutting,
Cold street strutting,
turning nickels into dollars,
making something out of nothing.
Yes, he is the first contender,
And his name is Busy.
shock and sucker DJs.
While we take out MCs,
And combined with our skill,
we're a powerful group.
the Rock Squad. There will be no substitute. Toot your horn, ring your bell, and grab your clientele.
And get with it,
With it. Smitty D, funkin' it up, y'all. A Jerry J, funkin' it up, y'all. Powerfuls, funkin' it up, y'all. The Rock Squad. As the other MCs speak of their DJs. As the other MCs speak of their DJs. As the other MCs speak of their DJs. Get themselves on wax, that's not how they play. The truth really is, they can't get with it. Rock Squad could pump it up, so let's kick it. Rock Squad could pump it up, so let's kick it. Rock Squad could pump it up, so let's kick it. Rock Squad could pump it up, so let's kick it. Rock Squad could pump, Rock Squad could pump, Rock Squad could pump it up, so let's kick it. And combined with our skill,
we're a powerful group.
the Rock Squad. There will be no substitute. Toot your horn, ring your bell, and grab your clientele.
And get with it,
With it. Smitty D, funkin' it up, y'all. A Jerry J, funkin' it up, y'all. Powerfuls, funkin' it up, y'all. The Rock Squad, funkin' it up, funkin' it up, funkin' it up, y'all. The Rock Squad, funkin' it up, funkin' it up, funkin' it up, y'all.
Festa da Cidade. Uma festa no seu rádio.
Festa da Cidade.
Programa Festa Mix.
When that boy comes knocking on my door, when that boy comes knocking on my door, when that boy comes knocking on my door,
always clean. I rode Mercedes Benz when I was 17. From the womb to the tomb, I run my game. Cause I'm cold as ice, and I show no shame. Ladies say that I'm heaven sent. Cause I got more money than the U.S. Mint. I ride ragtop road with rocks on my hand. Maserati and Mercedes Benz. I have an ocean line, private jet. Bel Air bookies place my bets. I own island off the coast of France, and I wear designer shirts and pants. When I was brought into this world, my mama never asked I was a boy or a girl. Plus I rolled over to her and gave her a kiss. She said, "Yo, daddy don't rock me like this." When the doctor hit me on the behind, I broke on down with a funky rhyme. The nurses said I was awfully cute when I played at the joint in a 3-piece suit. Y'all, please check it out. Cause I'm a player, I'm always clean. I rode Mercedes Benz when I was 17. From the womb to the tomb, I run my game. Cause I'm cold as ice, and I show no shame. By hand, I said, come with me. We drove off in my vicious 83. I took her to dinner, I took her to the show, I took her to the snooty cause she begged me to go. We got to the room, the man asked for long snaps, so she shook herself and broke herself and came up with the gas. Went through the door, I didn't cut no slack. I had her on the floor, on her stomach, on her back. I had her on the wall, on the hall and on her knee. I put her in the hot tub and the water started freezing. I took her out the hot tub and I put her on the floor. She said, ooh, iced tea, I can't take no more. I put her in the bed and then she looked up in the mirror, screamed so loud I think the East Coast could hear. I rolled on my back, I put her on the top. She said, ooh, iced tea, it is ever style. I said, no, the freaking has just begun. We hit 50 more positions before I got done. When we got finished, it was no longer dark. We had rocked so hard, made a snooty fox bark. Then she rolled over to me, she looked me in my eye and said these words to my surprise. Yeah, I tried to catch you cause I knew I could. I came here with you cause I thought I should. I tried to freak you cause I felt I could. But ooh, baby, you sure I could. She said, baby, you one hell of a man. Ain't no better ride in Disneyland. Now to all y'all ladies that think you fly and can't out-freak the average guy, don't ever come venturing through my door. I have you begging to stop while you're screaming for more. Y'all, please check it out. All the ladies in the house, come check it out. Cause I'm a player with jewels on every hand. So deeply in pocket, I control the man. But we all know how I earn my pay. Cause you don't wanna work, you got to play. All alone, don't forget to disconnect your phone. Street beat, 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 street beat.
don't stop you now. The streets inside you say you know you've got to move. The DJ must be playing something hot right now, 'cause the beat is calling all your partners too.
Love what you feel when your heart speaks for you. She's gonna understand, 'cause she's so serious. Ooh. And I intend to make her mine. She's so serious. Oh, my baby makes me feel like singing. So fine, but she acts like she don't know. My heart's telling me it's time. I know so serious. Want this love to grow? Asking for it. Tell her so. So fine, but she acts like she don't know. My heart's telling me it's time. I know so serious. Want this love to grow? Asking for it. Tell her so. So fine, but she acts like she don't know. My heart's telling me it's time. I know so serious. Want this love to grow? Asking for it. Tell her so. So fine, but she acts like she don't know. My heart's telling me it's time. I know so serious. Want this love to grow? Asking for it. Tell her so. Now that it's real, I know exactly what to do. I'm gonna ask her for her hand. When love's the feeling, your heart's the thing that speaks for you. I know she's gonna understand, 'cause she's so serious. Cause she's so serious, the girl's so serious, and my intention is to make her mine. She's so serious, and I'm so happy just because my heart is telling me it's time. She's so serious, oh, my baby makes me feel like singing.
Produção e mixagens DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro